6-cup cooker/steamer and warmer steams foods to perfection and keeps them warm. Stainless steel steaming tray and removable, easy to clean, non-stick inner cooking pan. See-through glass lid and automatic keep warm function that activates immediately after food is cooked. Durable stay cool handles for safe handling. Electrical rating, 120 volts, 500 watts. Includes measuring cup, spatula, and removable cord for easy storing. Note: please ensure to measure rice in the cup that comes along with the product only. Capacity is measured in the approx. 6 ounces, 180 milliliters rice measuring cup, using raw short grain white rice. Other grains may vary. Top reviews from the United States. 3-cup model definitely enough for 2 adults. I struggled to decide whether to get the 3-cup or 5.5-cup version for just my wife and myself. In addition to small amounts for side dishes, she sometimes makes a stir-fry or other meal that requires a full bowl of rice for each of us. I was concerned that the larger model wouldn't really work well for the small amounts, 1 cup or less, or that the 3-cup wouldn't make enough for full bowls. Our 3-cup cooker arrived yesterday and I did a test batch using 2 cups uncooked white rice, using their measuring cup. That amount was just the right amount for a full dish for 2 or even a bit more than needed. 3 cups would certainly leave leftovers. The rice came out perfect. I left it covered in the cooker for 10 minutes more after it stopped and then fluffed it with a plastic cooking fork. Any stickiness dissipated as it cooled. Very happy with this unit and the size.